That's the new ventilation system they installed.
Right, noted on page 3.
Look at the size of that bull near the fence.
Yeah, they're looking healthy this season.
Best grazing we've had in years. The quality here is exceptional. Look at how dense the clover is.
Yeah, they're definitely getting the nutrients they need.
We're getting consistent flow down to the trough.
Readings look stable.
Okay, just cycling the valve.
The coat condition is excellent post-grooming.
Yes, the parasite count should drop significantly.
We brush them twice a day during shedding season.
The shade coverage is excellent.
Yeah. We could definitely expand this side by another meter.
Yeah, let's make a note of the dimensions.
They seem much calmer today than yesterday.
True, the grazing behavior is stable.
The matriarch is leading the way.
The coverage looks good over here. Yeah. We might need another bale for the far end.
I made a note of the current spread rate.
Wow, look how clear that shot is.
I know, and the herd looks massive from here.
This drone was definitely worth the investment.
Yeah.
The heart rate looks strong, but the iron levels are still low.
Yeah, consistent with the last reading.
All right, physically he checks out. Let's adjust the supplement dosage.
The ATP readings here are excellent.
Agreed. The sanitation levels are well above the baseline.
Here's your copy, Bill. Everything is sealed up tight.
Looks good, Mark. Safe travels.
See you next week.
Here's the bill of lading. We've got 40 bales, manifest number 72B. All right, let me cross-reference this real quick. Looks good, just sign right here.
Look at this tear right here. That won't pass grade 2.
Yeah, I see it. Make a note of the batch number.
Already on it.
Okay, stack the next one right here on shelf 4.
Got it.
This batch is logged and ready.
Check the pressure on line 3. It's flashing.
Looks stable now. Moisture levels are dropping.
Good to go.
The readout says 2.2 millimeters right here.
This area. It feels inconsistent.
Okay, let's mark that spot and rescan.
This batch feels incredible.
Definitely supply.
Ready to pull. Yeah. Ready for shipment.
Check the readings on the tablet. All green across the board. Excellent. Let's keep it moving.
Pressure stabilization at 4,500 PSI. Readings confirmed. We are within tolerance.
Good, start the cycle.
Look at how smooth this section is coming out.
The consistency is impressive. The gauge reads within tolerance.
We're getting a much finer finish than the last batch.
37.2.
Okay, noted.
Let's check the next batch over here. Look at the grade A yield since we adjusted the sensors.
The accuracy on the thickness gauge is excellent now.
It's definitely optimized. Great results. Keep it coming straight. Watch the corner, easy now. All right, right there, perfect.
Check the pH on drum 4.
Looks stable at 8.2, but the temperature is climbing.
Adjust the flow rate slightly.
The intensity is stable at 365 nanometers, right within spec.
Did the temperature spike during activation?
It's showing 5 millimeters.
Check the center, but it feels right.
Uniformity is good, let's pass it.
What about this terracotta here?
No, the turquoise is the closest match under this light.
Yeah, I think you're right. It's almost perfect.
Okay, we're holding steady at 0.04. Tensile strength is right at 50.
Check the pressure on gauge 3.
Reading steady at 40 PSI.
Moisture levels look optimal.
Look at how smooth that came out.
It's flawless. This roller setting is definitely the one. Look at the reflection here. It's perfectly uniform.
Agreed. The finish meets the specifications.
Okay, I've logged the results. The grain on this batch looks excellent.
Agreed. The automated stretching is working well.
Let's double check the thickness over here. Take a look at this section. The coating seems uniform. Yes, the protective layer is flawless.
Agreed. We can proceed.
This texture is exactly what we wanted. Thumbs up for me. Looks great. Check the edges on that last cut.
Looks perfectly clean from here.
The laser calibration is holding steady. The measurements look good according to the specs here. Yeah, the accuracy is within tolerance. Let's run it again just to be sure on the depth.
Data matches the schematic on my end.
And the calipers confirm the gap alignment.
Excellent. Noted for approval.
The stitching on these is perfect. Absolutely. Absolutely flawless.
Yeah.
We did an amazing job on this batch.
We're down to the last minute on this cycle.
Yep.
Okay, I'm ready to reset the timer.
The consistency looks good, but what's causing this spike right here?
That's the grain variation we expected. I'll adjust the threshold.
Good. Let's see the full analysis report. Backing off the speed now.
Yeah, that looks better.
Smooth finish coming through. Check the alignment on the far side.
Looks perfect, 72 inches exactly.
All right, confirmed. Clear the area.
That's box 250. Recording it now. Keep them coming.
These tags match the manifest. We've got 50 here.
Confirmed on the scanner.
Okay, let's sign for it.
Right here, this discoloration is too deep. Yeah, that won't make the cut. Let's downgrade it. The alignment looks good on this batch.
Yeah, the laser tracking is perfect.
We're clear for the next sequence.
The specs look good, within tolerance.
All right, let's start the next cycle.
The stitching looks good right here. The trim is flawless.
Yeah, that's exactly what we want.
This one is flawless, top grade.
Agreed.
Ready for processing? Check the clearance on the left side.
It's exactly 2 millimeters, right on target.
Schematics match, we are good to go. The flexibility on the toe is perfect. Here, let me see the arch. Looks good, the material held up well under stress.
It's reading point 0.05.
The edges look sharp.
Good, that's within tolerance.
The stitching holes are perfectly aligned.
Confirmed. We are maintaining high precision across the board.
Layout check complete. Everything aligned to the specifications.
Confirmed. Let's move this to the joining station.
Alignment on the sole press is perfect. Look at the data.
Yeah, tolerances are within spec. We can bump the speed up now.
Surface uniformity is perfect. No variations detected.
Confirmed. Logging the result now.
The symmetry on this panel is spot on.
Confirmed. All measurements are within spec.
Excellent. Go ahead and send it through. We need to speed up the intake on the far side.
The robotics are calibrated, but we're waiting on the inserts.
Let me check the inventory now.
The stitching on these is perfect.
Agreed. The hide processing paid off. Ready for the European shipment.
Looks like a pass on the UV consistency test. The delta E values are well within tolerance. Great, let's log it.